All of it. You looking like Drizzy Drake now.
Then we do tattoos, haircuts, motor swaps, oil change.
Oh my God.
We got jumper house,
Jumper.
birthday parties.
All that.
And then, what
Then
else?
we go bike riding and
You know what I'm saying?
I'm over here cleaning parts. Let's see what Pookaloo got going on. What you got going on, man? Cooking a turkey?
Cooking a turkey, baby.
Or you cooking some internals?
Internals. There you go. K24 girdle, crank girdle, griddle. What you call it? Girdle, crank girdle. This is what holds the crankshaft into position. Holds all the oil pressure. Got a bunch of oil journals inside and in the back. Really big piece of aluminum. Guess what? It's going in the hot tank, baby.
Homemade.
Homemade hot tank right here.
Everything's budget around here.
Look at that. Oh. Barely fits, but you can always flip it, do the other side later. One side at a time.
It's gonna be like 4 sections.
Yep.
Like that, flip it, and
turn
then
it.
flip it the other way, flip it. Yeah.
Cool. Damn, that shit getting clean already, done.
For real?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh shit.
That's that's just probably all the vapors right there. Yep, 30 minutes to see how she look.
Okay, and we're back.
In like 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes? Just about, right?
Okay. We get down there. No scrubbing.
Look kind of clean right there. But yeah, just almost 30 minutes, not quite, but just
Too anxious. Uh-oh. Oh, we got the tub right there. You have to go get some damn... Get some damn oven mitts.
Oh my gosh. Damn.
Dang, no wiping. Look at top.
Oh shit, it barely got this right here.
Damn.
It didn't fit. Oh my gosh, bro.
Damn. Hey, he came up with that home remedy, boy, for a hot tank, though.
Damn.
Run up on the squad, you got the dogs ready to push you
right
up.
there, bro.
Damn.
Right there.
Oh yeah, we're going to buy those other tanks. We're filling it up. I'm sold.
Oh my gosh. Let me dry it. I think I spilled something.
Okie dokie, it's in there. Got about half a tank. Yeah. Barrel. Beware of dogs. Landmines all over the yard.
Fuck you.
Huh? And here we go, y'all. Boom. Whew. Damn.
Looking good. Good, baby.
He really
I
didn't.
don't know what, like, you told us you spent an hour? Not on one side, but like
Total.
20 minutes aside.
Yeah.
Because the pot was too small. But
Yeah, he could pretty much wipe it off with his fingers. That's how easy it was after heating it up.
that shit bomb.
Yeah. In-law solvent tank, you heard?
Oh, yeah.
Holla. What we got going on today, man?
A little bit of love.
And that's what we dipped yesterday. If y'all remember how greasy and oily it was.
Just a little love, that's all it is. See that, right, baby?
You can hear the swish swish.
A little technique. Dope.
Got the clean pistons in the back too.
Fuck the machine shop, baby.
Yeah, we are the machines.
Fuck that shit.
So we just got back from a pickup. Got that. Got that. Got that. Got the cams down here. There we go.
6,000.
What we got going on here, Pokalo?
Fucking getting ready to pull this into the garage.
Yeah,
Try
come
to be
up
careful
today.
though.
Oh, so you know how it said, people asked, got some more parts, how he said what did he pay for it?
Yeah.
So I counted 5 different parts that he gave us, divided by 500, it came out to $70 each.
Damn. So we got the head for $70.
Yeah, pretty much, because I mean, we didn't really pay. If y'all ain't know, this is a Pookie 101.
Oh yeah.
That's how you keep these from moving. Zip tie it, keep
Yeah.
that pressure, you hear me?
If y'all didn't know, connect 4 zip ties. Put pressure from top to bottom, side to side, and you walk with it really tight.
Walk this way.
Okay, so just scoot the zip tie out a little bit. And then install it.
Yeah, nothing boring around here. It's all just in your zone, doing your thing.
So this is exhaust breaker. Exhaust side.
See, my phone does come out clear. It's just, I think when I do that app, it comes out shitty.
Yeah, that's how it be.
This, yeah.
I need to start doing it on my laptop. I need to start.
I think it's higher than this one. The middle one.
Higher, baby. No idea.
OEM. Oh yeah, it do not loose this baby right here.
Where's that go to?
That's the
Damn. So, this is what I just got from the pickup. This bad boy, that bad boy. This bad boy, that one. These 2 little things.
That's the jackpot.
And
right
that
there,
bad
baby.
motherfucker.
$75.
70 to be exact. We got the, what'd you say, VTech Killer?
Yep.
VK?
OEM.
Yes, sir. And what did you say this in? Oh, just,
Z3,
yeah,
that's
Z3, hey. Cool. Twinning, well, in a sense. Well, good morning from the Pacific Northwest, y'all. Yeah, we got hit. Pretty, thick with it, too. Look at that. But I'm out here. Got us a packaging. Ooh, some goodies. Been waiting a handful of days. Time for the goodies. Damn. Alright, let's see if I got gypped or not. Order these pistons from somebody I didn't know from Facebook.
Be Frankie.
Oh shit. See a rod. So I ordered some stock RSX or TSX pistons. He gave me some piston rings. That's a good start.
Classic, 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 classic.
As Pookie said, this is what they should say. Yes, sir. A little caked, but after seeing what Pookie did, I'm pretty sure these are fixable with a little TLC. Holla at Pook in the morning, see what he think. Yeah. In-laws garage, man. We out here. Got called for a 911 call, you heard me? What's good though? This thing is toe up from the flow up. Blowout. Dented rim. Another blowout. Woo, child. A nail? Where's that nail go? Woo.
That definitely.
Ooh, look at this freshie. Oh shit.
Damn cars.
I need all my shit fixed on both of mine. Is though. In and out. Ooh. Clifford's been sitting too long. We're out here trying to jump start him. Because we're supposed to get hit with another stone. So we gotta make sure we prepare this time, even though this thing's been a trooper. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna see if she fires up. There's Pook Luke. Red. On red, on red. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm going through to get that money to finish this build. I'm gonna take my girl out traveling. We're out here on the weekend. And that OT. Look at that shit. Foot's gone. To be honest, if it wasn't for that car, I'll tell you what, boy, I would have rather been chilling at home. He on, snoozed out, no doubt. I only worked 6.5 hours, and look what I came back to. Clifford just covered. Damn. Yes, sir. We're covered. You can see there ain't nobody out here. It's Saturday, this street's usually traffic-y. Proud of my truck. Clifford's been good, gripping. It's not all about the EK, you heard me? So yeah, best of both worlds. Thanks to my grandpa, rest in peace, playboy. Got all the cars in the driveway. In case we're not out there in the streets. You dig? We got hella space, you heard me? Woo! Compound though. Gonna make a quick video. Got another little package. And yes, I know I should have cut that towards myself. Purple EK color, so some purple color to it. Oh, I'm so cold. Oh, okay. You two win. I'm freezing cold. I got no gloves. All right. Ah! quick. We out here with our sewage just blocking up our toilets and sinks. But let me refresh your memory. We got the purple patch.
With some straight heavy.
Ooh, we got another gift that came in. You feel me? Alright. Even the tape's the color of my car. Hey. Pistons right there. Let's see if I got bopped again. Here we have it. Woo, child. Ooh, matches the car. I'll take that.
Just leave your downstairs dressing box.